Okay, here we are again. This is a classic example of dealing with different people. Yeah, I've already knocked numerous times. This key will not go in there, and it won't go in there. Watch this. Close my door there. See, newer GMC, nice fire pit. And this one. Okay, we were here a few minutes ago. Anybody home? Hello, hello. Right. This key fits both of them. Notice. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, look, got it. Alrighty, here we are. Anybody home? Hello, hello, hello. A few minutes ago, I could not get that chain off. So, here we are. Alright, now we can go to work. And there's our GMC. And this is where the coil is going to go. Simple drain. A little 5/8 line set there. And we'll tie in a float switch. Okay. This is it. We have access. Let's make sure we're good to go. Say that. Off. Well, go get some tools.